When installing a framework scaffold, please observe these points. On a scaffold, use the personal fall arrest systems. When installing single pipe scaffolds, please observe these points, such as properly attaching wall tie fittings. When installing work platforms, please observe these points, such as maintaining a floor width of at least 40 centimeters and clearance of 3 centimeters or less. When installing scaffolds, please observe these points. When working on straight roofs, please observe these points, such as maintaining a load board width of 30 centimeters or more. The following are precautions that should be observed when using a portable ladder. The ladder installation angle is approximately 75 degrees. The upper end of a ladder should project over 60 centimeters. Take fall prevention measures. Use a ladder with a width of 30 centimeters or more. The following are precautions that should be observed when using a rolling tower. Do not load more than the limit capacity. Do not use a stepladder or a ladder on the work platform. Do not move while workers or goods are on it. The casters should be locked, and the outriggers must be firmly fixed with jacks. Use a personal fall arrest system and hook the hooks above your waist. When using aerial work platforms, please observe the following points. Passengers on a work platform should properly wear the personal fall arrest systems. As soon as getting on, apply a hook of the personal fall arrest system to a handrail. Driving aerial vehicles requires the following qualifications.